Hey Mike, this is Jackie Outwell. We spoke briefly on the phone earlier about the web design and the SEO services. I'm sure you hear this all the time, and I know the whole world of digital marketing can be pretty daunting, and you wonder what all goes into it, how do you get your website ranked, etc. There's just so many pieces with ads and etc. So I wanted to kind of break it down for you in a little video. I wasn't able to find a website for you specifically, which is great news. We can always work on that if so. But I want to break down one of your top competitors' websites that I was able to find. So I Googled HVAC services in Arlington, Texas, and this was the second one on the list. So let me go ahead and show you. All of this up here is ads, as you can see. This is the Google Maps section, which you do want to be ranked on that. And then this is the organic section. So this is where the ranking actually starts. Angie's List is obviously a directory link, and so is Yelp. So we go ahead and really start right here. Erico is technically number one. I decided to go ahead and click on High Tower Service. So they are technically ranked number 2 HVAC service in Arlington, Texas. So first thing that I'm going to cover is content. As you can see, their site looks pretty good, looks pretty modern. Content is any verbiage that is on the home page. So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy and paste everything from their home page, put it into my word counter, and see where they're at. They're at 622 words. So actually Google recommends having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content. What this does is this enables phrases and keywords that people technically type into Google, and it will cause this site to come up. Which leads me into my second tip for you, which is we're going to talk on keywords. So what are keywords? Like I said, this whole thing is pretty daunting. I went ahead and put their website into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool. If you look right here, you can see their traffic value is 4.1K, which this is basically how much revenue they bring in by not using ads. This is 0 ads. This is just based off of the keywords they incorporated into their website and the backlinks and citations, which we'll get into in just a second. The first thing we're going to touch on, though, is the keywords. So keywords are any words or phrases, like I said, that people type into Google to populate this website. All of these are ranking keywords over here. And what we want to look at are the ones that provide a location. Anything like furnace capacitor, capacitor for furnace, all of these things, they are things that people Google and they make this website come up. However, someone Googling this could be in Oregon. So is that really a buyer intent keyword? Not necessarily. We want things like HVAC Arlington, Texas, things with a location attached that are going to bring in buyer intent customers. Air conditioning Arlington, Texas, AC repair Arlington, Texas. So those are the kind of keywords we want to stick in there in order to bring in more traffic to your website, as well as buyer intent traffic. Those are people who want that, they need that service. As well as we can capture, not just Arlington, all of the surrounding towns, all of the surrounding counties, and things that you would like to service. Okay, as mentioned, the next thing I'm going to touch on are the backlinks. So backlinks are basically any website, anywhere on the internet where your website is linked. So this website is linked 415 times on 125 different areas. So not all backlinks are created equal. In order to catch up to them, what you'd first want to do is you would want to go and find all of these. When I say you, I mean me. Find all of these backlinks and we would copy them. So we would also put our name into them. But that just puts us on an even playing field. We don't want to do that. We want to do it tenfold. So yeah, sorry, I was doing some more browsing. As mentioned, those are the 3 key topics that you can use for free on your own to incorporate into your own website, or if you want to know any more information, you can reach out to me and I will provide all of my contact info in the email. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.